Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to access other Google applications from your Gmail desktop. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course you'll log in your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. Then all you have to do is click on this six dots at the left part of your profile picture and at the right part of the screen. Click on it, which means Google Apps. And as you can see, all the Google Apps under your account is now shown here. You can also click more from Google to access other apps. So let's try it. For example, I want to access my Google Drive. So all I have to do is just click on it, and as you can see, my Google Drive is already shown on my screen. So let's try another one. Let's just click this icon right here, and for example, I want to access YouTube. So I'll just click on it, and then as you can see, I am now in my YouTube page. So that's it on how you can access all the Google applications from your Gmail window. So we hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!